Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not understanding.
Hey guys, here Keandra and I'm back with another video. This video is brought to you by Domiso hair. I've worked with them plenty of times before, as you guys know, and I'm excited to do this video for y'all. When you get a wig from them, you'll receive some lashes and I think a wig cap. And then this is the wig they sent me. They sent me the kinky curly B-part wig, and this is in 22 inches, I believe. I'm just showing you the inside. You have 4 combs at the top, and then you have 3 combs at the bottom. And y'all, this install was super quick. As you guys can see, I just have my hair braided down. I have my leave out to the side. They don't have to be perfect or super flat. Y'all know I can't really braid, but it is curly hair, so you can kind of get away with like a sloppy job. But I am transitioning, so my hair isn't that long, but the amount of hair that I do have, it is actually natural. So I'm trying to get into more curly styles. That way, whenever I big chop, you know, the hair will blend with curly extensions. And I think soon I'm gonna stop wearing like straight hair. But yeah, I just went ahead and part where I want my hair to be parted at. And then now we are going to go in and blend my hair with the wig. So I'm going to go through with my mini flat iron and just press out my roots, just because my roots are a little kinkier than the hair. And also just to kind of give me some length as well, because my hair is, it shrinks because it's natural at the root. So if I press it out, it'll make it a little bit longer, so that way I can have more hair to blend with the wig. Everyone should get a pencil flat iron. It gets your edges really well, and yeah, I really like it. I have like 3 of them. So now I'm going to go in with my mini curling iron, and you can use like a mini curling iron like this one or a mini wand. And I'm just going to go and grab my hair and a piece of the wig, and I'm just going to curl them together. And I just did this all around where my leave out was. And as you guys can see, it's going to look really good. Now that I've finished that, I'm going to go in with my edge control and just lay my edges. And that is it. The edge control I use is from Kiss. I think it's like in the smell peach or something. It's just an edge control from Kiss. It's like the only one I use. And this is the final look. So this is the next day, and y'all, I absolutely love this hair. Like, the way I blended my hair with this hair, flawless. This hair is very soft. I put mousse in it, and I put like water and conditioner mix like in it. This is the conditioner I use actually. Aussie moisturizing one. Aussie Miracle Moist conditioner, and I mix it in my water bottle. And y'all, I've been getting so many compliments of this hair. Super easy to put on. It's not heavy. It's very, very lightweight. I'm trying to see if there's anything else. Like, it's just a beautiful kinky curly wig, and it's affordable. So if you are interested in this wig by Domiso Hair, I will have the link down in the description box below, so you can purchase it from Amazon, y'all. And I want to thank Domiso Hair for sponsoring this video, and until next time, bye guys.